Welcome to the channel. If you love growing your own food with less work, hit that subscribe button. Today, I'll show you how to start a no-dig garden, the easiest way to garden naturally. Imagine growing fresh vegetables, herbs, and flowers without ever digging the ground. That's what the no-dig garden is all about. And trust me, once you try it, there's no going back. Now, you might be wondering, how can you grow anything without tilling the soil? Well, here's the magic. Nature already knows how to build soil. When we step back and let it do its thing, amazing things happen. No-dig gardening is all about working with nature, not against it. Instead of digging, you layer organic materials right on top of the ground. This creates a living soil full of microbes, worms, and fungi that help your plants thrive, all while suppressing weeds and holding on to moisture. That means less work, fewer problems, and more delicious food. Let's jump into how you can start your own no-dig garden today. No special tools, no fancy equipment, and no previous gardening experience needed. Start by picking a sunny spot, at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. It can be on your lawn, over weeds, or even on rocky soil. You don't need perfect conditions. This method transforms the ground over time. Next, lay down cardboard. Yep, just regular brown cardboard boxes. Tear off any tape or labels. Overlap the edges so no light gets through. This layer smothers grass and weeds while encouraging worms underneath to start working their magic. Now this is where the real life begins. Add a thick layer of compost right on top. I'm talking about 4 to 6 inches of rich, crumbly compost. This is your growing layer. You can use homemade compost, worm castings, store-bought organic compost, whatever you've got. And here's a secret most people miss. Once you've added compost, cover it with a thin layer of mulch. It could be straw, dried leaves, wood chips, anything organic that will slowly break down. This mulch protects the soil, keeps it moist, and prevents weeds from returning. Now give everything a deep watering. Don't be shy. Soak it well. If you're using compost that's already aged, you can plant immediately. Otherwise, give it a week or two to settle and activate. That's it. That's your garden. No digging, no turning the soil, no breaking your back. And it only gets better with time. When it's time to plant, you simply push aside the mulch, pop in your seedlings, and water them in. The roots will love growing in loose, fertile compost, and you'll love how little effort it takes to keep them healthy. As the season goes on, just top up the mulch whenever it starts to thin. In future seasons, add a fresh layer of compost in spring, then mulch again. Your garden keeps building itself, better every year. Now here's a tip that makes a big difference. Never walk on your beds. Use paths to avoid compacting the soil. And remember, the more organic matter you add, the more life your soil will hold. Earthworms, beneficial fungi, and microbes will turn your garden into a self-sustaining ecosystem. You'll notice something amazing. Fewer weeds, stronger plants, deeper roots, and more flavor in your food. All without lifting a shovel. And here's the kicker. Studies have shown that no-dig gardens can actually outperform traditional dug beds in both yield and long-term soil health. It's not just easier, it's smarter. So if you're ready to grow more with less effort and work with nature instead of against it, this is your sign to start a no-dig garden. Try it in one corner of your yard or fill a few raised beds. Once you see the results, you'll want your whole garden to go no-dig. If this video helped you, hit that like button so others can find it too. And if you're planning to try this, let me know in the comments what you're going to plant first. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tricks that actually make your life easier. See you in the next one, and happy planting.